Hello guys, I'm gonna present you a new lock from Whitkop, CAWI Whitkop. It's called Relox 1900. It's a Class B lock, newest product of the company. And what's interesting about this lock, it can be recoded with the new keys. Keys looks like this. So we have like two different keys, and there's a change key for changing the lock code. So it works like this. Yeah. So to change the combination, we can do this from the inside of the safe and turn this element. Yeah. So now we can turn the key completely 180 degrees. We put new key in it. Yeah. And the lock is now coded to the new key set here. The old one doesn't work. And it also can be done from outside of the safe, which is interesting. Yeah. So then we need to first use the change key. There's a click. Take it out. Put the old key in it. Turn full. Take it out. Put new one. And the lock is coded to the new keys. Nice lock, nice case, small footprint, comparing for example to Fast Lock or to Mauer. I think it's definitely smaller. You can see this. Yeah. So it's a nice B-class lock in a smaller footprint. Cheers.